Hi, this is the FAIRPHONE 4 and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just with a simple touch the power key button, we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.